It's time for another smoker review. We're going to start with an unboxing. This is the Asmoke AS300. It was a crowd-funded Indiegogo campaign from Asmoke. I'll put a link down in the description to their website if you want to buy one of these grills. I was an early backer, so that was June, and it is mid-August, and it came in, and that's actually pretty quick for crowdfunding, although they did get backed up in FedEx for a while. So let's take a look inside, okay? Looks like we have some cardboard packaging. I mean, the top of this looks packaged really well. Okay, styrofoam, everything looks to be in one piece. Of course, as I say that, one of the pieces is broken here, huh? Oh, all right, bag next. And, ooh, no side handles. Okay. Let's start here. Asmoke Pellet Grill manual. So we've got manual. We have register to get 25% off at asmokegrill.com. 15% code to their eBay or Amazon store as well. All right. So we're going to take a look at this in a minute because we're going to do a burn off as well. Oop, and we do have some assembly here. All right, so let's take this out and see. Rather than lift up, I'm going to disassemble the box. There we are. All right. Now I can rock it. Woo! All right, that's all that's in the box. Grab my Elvis juice here. First impressions. All right, it's just foam. So we've got this black box here. Looks like I've got some stuff sticking out the side. I'm curious to see what that is. It's like felt. All right, here's the panel here. The knob is pretty. Let's open it up. Oh, all sorts of stuff. Oh, okay. So that foam, that fuzz right there, that's a little bit of a sealant, I suppose. Okay, temperature range, 180 degrees to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. Step 1, fill. Step 2, set. Step 3, oh, it doesn't say step 3. Oh, it does. No, it doesn't, but it's step 3, it's behind the picture. It's interesting. Okay. All right, so we have pellets. We've got 5 pounds of applewood pellets. We've got a grease tray, which is going to sit over here eventually. We've got, so these are probably the stretch goals. All right, we have the gloves. Now I have 2 of these. I have some pit mitts, some claws, some tongs, the other claw. And it's kind of cool to have a little bag for the accessories, the stretch goals there. And then assembly, some assembly required, I suppose. So here is your standard 3-prong plug, like you would get off of a computer. Here is a temperature probe, legs, a handle, and that, whoop, that's not it. Oh, and then the grate. Okay. So the grate is nicely wrapped. Let's get that out of here. Coated steel, normal grill grate here. Packaging, what do we got here? Okay, so this is something that my Pit Boss has, and I'm really happy that the Asmoke does too, because it's one of my favorite features of the Pit Boss, is that it's got this piece here that you can slide back and forth so that you can allow open flame to your food, or you can cover it and have indirect flame. All right, so this is the cover here, the heat cover. Yep, and there's the holes there to let the open flame through. Now, what I'm not seeing in this is the top grate. You can see the top grate in the picture. I'm not seeing it, so here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna clean up this area. I'm gonna plug this thing in and do the initial burn off. I'm actually gonna plug it into the truck because it is a portable grill, and we'll see how that works. For the sake of this, I want to see the igniter on. And I want to see the pellets get in. So when we say prime, I can see the auger moving right now. The igniter's hot. You can see it smoking. So all we need is some pellets now. Now, hold on, it's giving me error P. Let's see what that means. Okay, hey, that's good to know. It meant power. So we lost power during the operation. So rather than work off the car right now, which ostensibly should have enough to start this off, I'm just gonna plug it in right now. See if that helps. All right, we're back onto shore power, as it were. So I'm going to continue to auger the pellets into there. Take a look. All right, so here comes some pellets. All right, we're gonna back it up. Okay. We're gonna set this. Let's set it at 250. Okay. Let's put everything back on, and we'll start the burn off procedure here. We're going to set a timer here for 30 minutes. Start. All right, when that's done, we will have fulfilled our burn off procedure, and then we'll let it cool down, turn it off, and be done for now. So I set it up to 350, and we are 23 seconds away from being done with our burn off. All right. Maybe. So we're going to turn it off. The fan is going to stay on. because right now it's still on fire inside the burn pot. I want to show you something now. So this is something my wife was concerned about. Putting it on the tailgate. But you can get your hand right underneath there, and sure, it's slightly warm, but it's certainly not hot. It's not even close to hot. And it's not going to do any damage to that. It wouldn't do any damage to a picnic table or a table that comes with it or a stand. Seems fine. So the next step is to cook something on it.